Woo, woo, woo. Wow. Ride him, cowgirl. Whoa. Woo-hoo. Did it go sideways? Oh my goodness. How's your horse today? Does he need a care? Woo-hoo. What do you think of that horse? Does he go pretty fast? Oh, what a nice horsey. Yeah. Whoa. Did you fall off? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Did you have a good nap? A 2.5-hour nap. Yay! Go, Springy, Springy the horsey. Go, Springy, Springy the horsey. Oh, yeah. Giddy up, little doggy. Giddy up, little doggy. Woo-hoo. We don't have our cowboy boots on today, but Liliana was wearing them last night, and Jess really liked them. She works with horses, so she thought those were pretty great. So we need another pair for Rowan. Tiny cowboy boots for little babies. And if anybody out there has a size 12 months to 2 years cowboy hat, I would definitely like to purchase it from you. Please send it to our home address. Woohoo! And maybe a tiny lasso. Maybe I'll make you some leather chaps. Woohoo! Go Lily, go Lily, go Lily, go Lily. Whoa! Go cowgirl, go cowgirl. That's the measuring cup, yeah. Daddy made hot chocolate for Emma. They're out for a ski and we're supposed to be cleaning up the kitchen. Ah! I'm making some dinner, making some dinner. What are we gonna have for dinner? Oh, you're gonna go off the back end of your horsey there. Careful. Hold on. Hold on, little lady. I love you. Yes, I do. Go. Oh, what a good horsey you have. Whoa. Oh. Shall we feed him a carrot? Would you like some apple? Okay. Here's some apple for a girl. Yeah. And we can get carrots for our horse. Here, Lily. Here's a carrot for the horsey. It's a carrot for a little girl? No. Do you want a little bit? Okay, I'll give you some. Here, babe. Num. I thought we could give the carrot to the horsey. See? No, it's for Lily? Okay. I'll give you some more. She likes carrots. Carrots and apples. And potatoes. And avocados. And lately, #1 choice would be raisins. Lily loves raisins. Lily loves raisins. And she loves, after school, going into her sister's knapsack, pulling out her lunch bag, and seeing what leftovers Emma has. She'll eat like the last bit of her sandwich, or the last couple crispers, or cookie crumbs, anything she can find. And especially the drinks. Do you want to stop for a drink? Okay. Whew, horseback riding is hard work. My goodness. Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Lily, can you say bye-bye? Sometimes she waves. That's a very royal wave. Not the back and forth, but the revolving royal wave. I love you. This video's getting long. Okay. Bye, everybody. We love you. Football class. Woo!